Yo, what's up, people? I'm out here in the garage. I wanted to get this on video before I do too much work without showing you what's been going on. So, I brought me a nice little buffer, a Makita joint, and I decided to try my hand at the buffing, polishing, trying to bring a little shine out this old 25-year-old dull paint. Plenty of haze on it. And I tested it out on the trunk. I'm gonna show you how that turned out, and that motivated me to go ahead try the rest of the car. I was always wanting to get a polisher buffer anyway, so it was right on time to give it a try and see what's to it, because it was a hobby I wanted to test out and see if I could do. But I'm gonna go and spin the camera around. I hit the driver's side already a little bit. I gotta come back and do it again, but I just want to show you, give you a little update where I'm at before I finish the car. I got some before and after pictures I'll show you, but I could zoom in right now on the camera, give you one side that's not done, one side that is done. So I'm gonna start at the trunk, which I haven't cleaned it off. I polished it a few weeks ago, might even been longer than that, but whatever. I just did the driver's side today. I'm gonna show you, give you a look at it. It's my garage. I need to clean it off. I got a little haze on here, that I need to, from polishing. It's been spinning, but you can see this right here. This is a side I've been doing. Now, let me take you over to the side I haven't been doing, which is not horrible. As you can see, it's not horrible. I do need to hit it though, but we're not in bad shape. We just got, stuff we gotta go over it. You can see the top. I started taking my sounds out of the truck, so that's what you see, my amp board right there. But the top I haven't touched at all, so you see how bad that looks. But my fender that got hit. Somebody polished that at the shop that did my frame. They did that because it was a little damaged and they shined it up for me. That's what let me know that the paint still had shine in it when they did that. So I'm like kind of going around. You could see in this top section right here, you could see all this is super dull, compared to maybe down here, which still hasn't been hit. It's just this part has experienced the most sun damage, So obviously the paint is old. It's wear and tear all around. The body work is horrible. I need all that done. I got little dings, I got cracks, I got shit everywhere. But if we got a little bit of shine, that make all the difference in the world, as far as washing it off and pulling out in the sun and having a little fun with it. That's what it's all about. Enjoying your vehicle, enjoying these dollars you putting into the car. You can't get it all done at once, so you gotta enjoy what you can. And that's what my plan is. So take this ride with me. I'm gonna keep you in tune. I'll be right back. Okay, just finished polish. We got a real good shine. Very nice compared to what it used to be. Eventually, I'm gonna pull it out. I'm about to apply some wax, and then I'm gonna pull the car out, get a look at it in the sun. Paint job is super old. FYI. I just wanted to buff it and see what kind of results I would get. I never done a polish before, so I brought a polisher and tried it out. Just wanted to throw my hat in the ring at it and see what come up. And I'm happy with the results. I gotta ride it like a beater for another year, which is all good. At least I'm getting to the mechanical stuff and getting everything squared away. Tackled quite a few projects this last year. Here we go. Just finished the wipe down. Finished waxing. First I polished. And I came back with a coat of wax. Buffed it out. Had a lot of lint. I had to wipe that off, but came back clean the wheels also, man. We got a nice finish, man. I'm telling you. The paint is over 20 years old, man. Probably 25, 30 years old, man. But I just wanted to take a chance and see how it'll come out with a buff and wax, man. Never done it before. A polish, buff and wax. And I'm like, fuck it, why not? A little bit of shine never hurt nobody. And I'm happy with the results, man. You never know what you can do, man, till you try it. This in the garage, so I'm gonna pull it out. Like I say, this thing is gonna be a good, but this is what I'm rocking with right now. And I'm good with it, man. I'm still about to be hitting the corner slugging. I ain't got the full interior in. Got a little bit. I'm gonna pull it out in the sun. And we see how it look out in the daylight. I got a little bit of daylight left, not much, but it'll be outside the garage. You can see it shine. This is real nice shine, you know. As you can see, I got plenty of rust areas. I got all new metal for the car though. I already put the new hood on. I got new fenders. I got new quarters. That's the quarters back there wrapped in the plastic on the pallet. This is my fenders up here. I got new fenders. So I got the other one up there. I got the pieces, like all the new metal. So like I say, I'm just shy. I just tried something out, just to see. I'm gonna pull it out and then I'll restart it.